We're here in the Lost Sea and they have a wishing well. That's so cute.
Calcium carbonate, which is also the main ingredient in salts. That amber color you see on the top formation is called drapery or cave bacon, which is made up of iron oxide. Now the reason we call it cave bacon is because when the light hits it just right, it looks like a piece of bacon. It's called the Bellatiers. We get to see active and growing formation in the drip top. Those formations you see on the top are called stalactites, while the formations you see on the bottom are called stalagmites. If they stay active and keep growing, they'll form together to form a stalactite, or a column, which you see to your left. And an easy way to remember stalactites from stalagmites is stalactites hang tight to the ceiling, while stalagmites might grow tall one day. Back in the 1820s, the cave was owned by a Cherokee chief by the name of Chief Craighead, who acquired his land through the Hiwassee-Ocoee land grant. He would come down here and hold council meetings with his tribe. In 1927, a group of teenagers were exploring the cave when they found artifacts such as arrowheads, rarest cave formations in the entire world. They're only found in 8 different caves around the world, with us and the Lost Sea having the majority of them. They get their name from the Greek word anthos, meaning cave flower, and they grow 1 cubic centimeter per 1,000 years. This is a leaching vat. Back during the Civil War, Confederate soldiers would come down here and mine the cave for potassium nitrate. Now you can find potassium nitrate in vat poop, so they take bags of dirt and vat poop and pour it in the vat. They would then take boiling hot water and pour over it to get a liquid called mother's liquor. If you look right up there in that flat surface, that's where the center of that whirlpool would have been. Now this right up here, this is our paper. It's the second largest strip in the cave we have access to, and it's also in the general direction of the natural reference.
There's a telephone booth in the cave. That was so cool. Oh, wow.
Right there, and others along the walls. And all this rubble, they found the lake. They then questioned Ben Sands about it. It's full credit for finding North America's largest underground lake at the age of 73. Found it when he was 13, didn't get credit till he's 73. And if you guys didn't know, you are allowed to touch the rocks right in this area.
What's this? Really.